Anin. Today's Anishinaabe Moen word of the day is Nishtana Shanan Wak Shanishwa Simitana Shananin Wa Bik. Oh my god. Woo! The word again is Nishtana Shanan Wak Shanishwa Simitana Shananin Wa Bik. So what could that possibly mean? Well, it means $2,575. And the reason why that's the word of the day is because that's the amount of money that we raised for the Wild Strawberry Children's Center last weekend at the Wild Strawberry Fundraiser. So I want to say miigwech apachit to everyone who donated their time and everyone who came out and bought tickets. And it's going to go towards helping improve the daycare center and provide some activities for the kids. And I want to just thank you again, miigwech apachit. So, and before I show you guys what 2575 looks like, I just want to remind you that this has already been dropped off by the time you're seeing this video. It's already been dropped off in the daycare's bank account, so don't break into my house trying to steal that money. Because, nimbukashka, I'm broke. I don't have any money in my house. Okay? So, inashkewe. Nishtana shanan wak shanishwa simitana shanan inwabik. That's nishtana shanan wak shanishwa simitana shanan inwabik.